Sing a carrot sound from here.
Guys, today is Mother's Day and wish all the mothers and tell your kids to wish all the mothers which is in the town, the whole earth. And today my mama's cooking, so I'm just watching how to make craft. I've already watched 2 videos of craft, but already 2 cards I made. See? See? One is here. I had wrote Dad, August 25, October 1. I didn't wrote Mama, so I'll write now. From Hetam. So who I'm talking is me, Hetam. Okay, so down I wrote Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you. Mom, Happy Mother's Day. Enjoy.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, lovely.
And I wrote Mom.
And this you did?
Cannot see.
Wow, Nanu. Awesome. Thanks, my love. I love you so much.
Actually, this is a jet. Jet plane.
This is Jet, and this is what you made for mommy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Flying car. I'm gonna make the wings.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to Hetam's channel.
Hetam chai, you always say like it's not Mama's channel, it's Hetam's channel. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Although
Everybody is shouting at their mother, they still love them.
you know, bacche. Morning he don't wanted to study because as you guys know worksheets are coming and you know we all have to do lot of कुकिंग वगैरह के साथ इनकी पढ़ाई भी देखनी पड़ती है. आजकल टीचर्स का काम भी मदर्स को ही करना पड़ रहा है. सो गाइज एनीवेज हैप्पी मदर्स डे टू एवरीवन. तो मैं कर रही हूँ कुकिंग और हेतम ऑन फुल हर्थ. सो हेतम कर रहा है अपनी क्राफ्ट वगैरह कुछ. तो भी आई थॉट लाइक ही इज डूइंग सम क्राफ्ट बट गो टू सी ही इज एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड मेकिंग सम कार्ड फॉर मी एंड आई एम कुकिंग समथिंग चिकन.
Every father makes a Mother's Day possible. So here's wishing you a happy Mother's Day.
Hello. 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 Hi. No. मैंने बहुत बार अपने ब्लॉग्स में बताया है कि मेरे हस्बैंड बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी रहते हैं एंड बहुत कम उनको टाइम मिलता है. इसीलिए जो हेयर कट का रिक्वेस्ट है वो नहीं हो रहा है हमारा. लेकिन हेयर कट तो नहीं करवाए और ये वीडियो जो है हेयर कट का नहीं है. लेकिन बताती हूँ क्यों स्टार्ट किया है. तो इसलिए बिकॉज आज हम लोग बना रहे हैं what is that we are making?
Chicken Malai Tikka homemade recipe.
And this is done by him. Finally, yeah. Chef the party. तो नॉर्मली उनको टाइम तो नहीं मिलता है एंड टुडे टाइम निकाल कर चिकन बनाया जा रहा है. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोगों को चिकन कट किया हुआ नहीं मिला है. नॉर्मली हम लोगों को यहाँ पर कट किया हुआ चिकन मिलता है बट टुडे वी नेवर गॉट. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई विल शो यू हाउ वी आर कटिंग चिकन इन द हाउस.
Chicken is fresh, the skin don't come out easily. If chicken is dead, this whole skin will come out. What a fresh smell of this.
Yeah, fresh smell, no?
Yeah, this is a nice one. And then I got Kashmiri chilies. So we will not use red chili powder. Yeah. Okay, salt is already added. A bit of ginger garlic paste to bring the rich flavors. We have coriander. And we got Kashmiri chili red, cut and finely chopped. Going to add a little bit of black pepper. Add some fresh yogurt. And here we are going to use the cooking cream. So we got this. I will leave this now because I will leave this for some time and we will going to start. So we don't have a grill in the house, so we are going to use an alternate of the grill. Yeah. It's already been now around 15 minutes. Chicken is well marinated. Time is 9:35.
No,
Huh?
10:35.
Time is 10:30. We got late because I had to go to the market. It was very jam packed, so all these things.
एक्चुअली कुकिंग करना मैं करती हूँ इवनिंग में, बट यू नो कुकिंग सो मेनी डेज कंटिन्यूअसली. यूजुअली बिफोर ही यूज्ड टू कुक ऑन सैटरडेज.
I love cooking.
He love cooking, but now
I love that, so I love cooking.
now he don't cook.
आज ऐसा झगड़ा हुआ.
No. The fight always keeps
आज
happening.
ऐसा झगड़ा हुआ कुकिंग को लेके, तो मजबूरी में इधर आना पड़ा.
So normally what happens is today actually हम लोग बनाने वाले थे वो हेयर कटिंग वाला वीडियो, बट मुझे नहीं जाना था किचन में.
I really need a haircut actually.
He need haircut and my subscriber want me to cut my hair and he don't have time. अभी चूज करना था कि haircut वाला वीडियो करना है या कुक करना है. Then he said better cook because we need to eat food. So he said I will
Haircut video is coming up soon.
Coming up
But
soon.
let's focus on
cooking today.
chicken malai homemade tikka. So the pan is getting hot. We are going to go for chicken malai tikka. I think you already saw what grill I'm using. So this is like this is what we can do right now in the house and bring still the rich flavors of chicken tikka malai. I'm going to add some slight oil. यार अभी तेल गर्म हुआ कि नहीं मालूम नहीं, लेकिन अभी बचपन की याद है. When I was small, we were cooking and we don't know whether the oil is hot or no. So what I was doing, as soon as it's hot, I used to sprinkle some water. Okay, just to confirm.
And today the kitchen is going to be full mess. I am out from the kitchen.
To keep turning this until the outside thing starts stop catching it, you know.
Okay.
Otherwise, chicken will get stuck to this one.
Okay.
The chicken is already ready, and I just put some tomatoes and onions. My wife likes just to grill it.
Sure.
I'm eating carrot.
You eating carrot?
Right? Oh, the chicken
I
is.
left the kitchen on you. You made so
putting-
amazing things.
I'm
man.
putting here.
I just feel like eating now. Yummy.
Before Dad was going to put it in the plate, Mama wanted to eat.
Yeah, because they're looking yummy. It's looking amazing. man. Seriously.
भूख लगी है.
Seriously, even me, I was just waiting. I just said, I'll leave the kitchen on you. Let's come after some time.
So let's go to eat food.
Let's go to eat food. Come. The last
Okay.
amazing
And the
thing.
dish is not complete without a perfect garnish. So here we go.
Yummy, man. Yummy.
Bring the carrots out from here. Normally we don't eat carrots, but आज उसको carrot पसंद आया.
And now I am going to try the yummy chicken.
बोलो कैसा लगा चिकन आपको?
Yum, man. Yummy.
It's really nice. Really, you like it? What I say? Let me get a knife.
Don't ask me anything yet because I'm too hungry and it's tasting very yummy, delicious. Now, how about you?
I didn't try it.
Try it. Baby, delicious, baby. Baby, you're going to cook next week also?
Dada's special cooking challenge.
I will not prepare to talk much. I need to eat my food. Talk to you guys later after food.
This is the same marinade, but if you grill this one, no?
Yeah.
On the
You
chopper?
remember last year we went
Yeah.
for grilling
Yeah.
outside?
I remember also where we were grilling in the Marina Park.
Correct.
Inner? Marina
And
Park.
you made something similar.
And while cooking, you were giving me chicken, and I was roaming my bicycle round and round.
Correct. द फूड वॉज अमेजिंग एक्चुअली। और अभी दिखाते हैं
एक्चुअली का मतलब क्या है?
एक्चुअली में बहुत अच्छा था।
ओके।
अभी दिखाते हैं किचन की हालत। And here is the chef.
Washing.
Chef became now utility. The first flight is already reached from Bahrain to Cochin directly. It reached I think 11:30 yesterday, I think, and all people are happy over there. There were some 30 pregnant women and 5 elderly people were there, so they required emergency care or something. So some of them are taken home, but the rest they are all in the airport doing the test and all, and they will be taken to the quarantine center for 7 days, and after 7 days they will be then sent home if everything is normal.
My
So I think most
All
of the
must
people
be waiting for that only to go to India, like all these
yeah, because
pregnant ladies.
most of the people who are gone now, so 177 people are gone the first flight. So most of the people who are gone are all families.
Oh.
So I think people are starting sending the families over there. I hope the situation gets better here
Hopefully.
and things will be fine soon.
Yeah.
Not soon, but at least it should go smooth. Yeah.
At least this will go till some months more.
It's I was checking the news. Google said that already work from home is declared for their employees and stuff up to 2021.
Really?
Yeah, for Google employees.
Yeah, even YouTube's
Yeah,
same
so
thing they are
already-
telling.
yeah. So this is anyway we have to accept this, but
We cannot
hopefully
stop, no? Life
business
will
should
keep
be running.
going. Life will keep going.
If there is no corona, then life will keep going. If corona comes, life will stop going.
Always we need to think positive. I have to keep doing
You
things.
have to think positive, and at the same time, you have to be ready for the worst.
Yeah.
So let's see.
And Hannah is enjoying herself. What's that gaga? What's that?
Da 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 da. She's searching, huh?
You want to say something, my love?
Nothing.
Okay, so he was waiting for ending the vlog, but when we started the camera, he only showing teeth from men. She's like it. Huh? So anyway, he want to find an excuse not to sleep.
Yeah, he.
So we gave him that chance also. Hey, pulling my beard.
तो एनीवेज गाइस ये सब चलता रहेगा। हमारे घर में किसी को नींद नहीं आती है जब तक फोर्सफुली हम लोग नहीं सुलाते हैं। Like, both the kids
Hey, Hannah is
we have
flying.
to.
Hannah is flying. Yay! Uba.
तो एनीवेज मैं आज का व्लॉग यहीं पे एंड करती हूँ। मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ कल वाले व्लॉग में। एंड दिस गाइज वांटेड टू एंड द व्लॉग, सो एंड करते हैं इस तरह से। हम आपसे मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वाले व्लॉग में। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड
Bye bye. Good night.
Bye bye, Hannah also.
Hey. Oh, bye bye.